1952 Chevy pickup, day 33. Today we're going to take our newly made fan shroud and stick it in the engine and finish all this stuff up. Start bolting the front fenders together a little more securely. And, I don't know, maybe put the hood on? Let's see. Okay, on our fan shroud, when we're bolting the frame on, we don't want to bolt it in like this and possibly dig into the back of our radiator. So what we're going to do is we take the bolt and we go to the back side and we find something with a button head. And you get the speed nut, and screw it on. Okay, and that's what it looks like when it's all done. It's all bolted up. We've got our wires leashed down, so now we can bolt it in. Alright, well that's not going to work. Alright, let's see if we can put this in first. Okay, this is going to be our radiator recovery tube. The short one here is what you'll hook up to the radiator, and this is where the overflow will come out if you fill it up too hot. We'll take the same stock that we had yesterday, and we'll make some 90-degree holders for this also, just like we did our fan shroud. Well, I tried the brackets, but they didn't work, so just drill a hole here and drill a hole here right in the fan shroud. You get some of the clips, just like we used on the fan, to hold the bolts out, and then we can slip it right on top, no biggies. Okay, we've got our fan in, shroud, and just before we put this in, we're going to go ahead and hook up our electrical right here. When we're hooking up, when you're hooking up your fans, they pull a lot of power. So what you need to do is get a fan relay switch in order to correctly hook up your fan. Okay, with our fan all hooked up, what I'm going to do is just tape all of this up and tuck it right into this nook and cranny right here so it's protected and out of the way. That's what it'll look like when you're done. Okay, installing our seatbelts is pretty easy. First thing you want to do is find a place to put them. Now normally you'd think you just stick it right here. Unfortunately you can't, because it won't clear the door and it'll bump when it shuts. Or actually it won't shut. What we're going to do is go on the inside right here. And you can see right here we've got a hole right in the corner there. And what we've done right up here is drill a hole right in here, and we can go in from the top and we can put the back bolt in and find it and screw it on. So now we'll bolt it down the rest of the way. Don't forget to use these washers right here. There's one on when there's an accident, this won't just pull right out. If you just simply use a bolt like this to bolt it in, as soon as there's an accident, that'll tear right through the metal, quick and easy. Okay, here we are at the end of a short day. Got some errands to run this afternoon, but we got our fan shroud all mounted up, fan, we've got our reservoir hooked up, all of our electrical done for this, and we've got the left side of our seats done. So tomorrow we'll finish off the rest of our seat belts and stuff like that. See you then.